G'day all. Here we have a very interesting little engine. This one is from OKMO. It's out of the Honeybee line, and this one is the JO6A. It's billed as the smallest vertical Stirling engine model in the world, and it is quite small. There's a bit of a view on the turntable. Now, this little burner, this is only 15 mils in diameter. Here's a box of matches, and here's an old wooden match. That just shows you the actual size of this little JO6A. It's absolutely exquisitely built. The base measures 60 millimeters by 40 millimeters, and the whole engine in height is 70 millimeters. So you can just see the size of it. It's tiny, and it's the flywheel is 30 millimeters. It's just beautiful. There's another view, and I'll give you a few close-up still photos of it just to show you. Alrighty, let's have some fun with my fat fingers. This little tiny spirit burner is a screw lid. Okay, let's get some spirits in here. Screw that lid on. Okay, now, no, I think I'll have to try it this way. I'll put it there, and I'll set that down. Okay, doke. Slide her up. Yep, flames there. Put the metho away so I don't spill it, and have a fireball. Now I wonder which way this is going to turn. So, oh, geez, okay. How quick was that? Now that surprised me. I did not think that was going to happen. Wow, look at that go. It's going so fast on the camera that it's got that effect that the shutter is not picking up how fast it's going. That's a very weird effect. I can't remember the actual name of it at the moment. But look, this little thing's going like a bat out of hell. I'll just slow it down and see if the camera picks that up. Yeah, see that? If I slow it down. So the frame rate is keeping up with that speed. Take my finger off. It's going too fast for the frame rate of the video camera. How easy did that start? So I did not know whether that was going to start. I wasn't sure which way it was going to run, and it was just boom, and it's gone. So again, there's a box of matches, and there's a wooden match. Show you just the size of this. What a beautiful little Stirling engine. Not sure how long that small little spirit tank will last, but I'm very happy with this. See if I can blow it out. Okay, I've blown that out without spilling anything. And there we go. Well, there we are, the JO6A from OKMO. And again, it's out from the honeybee line. There's a fair few of these, all different, all beautiful, all small. And that was fun. I can't wait to run that again. As always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.